Welcome to Tasty Malayali. Let's dive into the ocean's treasurous spicy, juicy lip-smacking mussel roast that's bursting with coastal flavors and perfectly tender, never rubbery. Take 3 kilograms of fresh, fleshy mussels, the true gems of the sea. Double boil the mussels until shells open. Gently remove the meat and clean thoroughly to keep them fresh and ready. Heat 3 tablespoons of fragrant coconut oil in a cooker. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee for extra depth of flavor. Add to large chopped onions. Toss in 50 grams of small onions for that authentic caramel touch. Saute patiently until the onions turn beautifully golden brown and caramelized. Remove 90% of these golden beauties and keep aside. Leave the remaining in the cooker as the flavor base. Add 1 chopped tomato and stir until soft and juicy. Drop in 5 small green chilies. Add salt to taste. Add 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chili, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon cumin. Stir everything well until the masala turns thick, glossy and fragrant. Add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw smell disappears. Add freshly chopped coriander leaves and mix everything together to blend beautifully. Now add the cleaned mussels into this spicy masala bath. Mix thoroughly so every mussel is coated in that rich, fiery blend. Pour in 1/2 glass of water. Stir it gently so all the flavors combine beautifully. Close the cooker and cook for 5-6 whistles until the mussels turn tender and juicy. Otherwise, they may become rubbery. Check whether the mussels are soft and tender. If not, cook for 2 more whistles until perfectly done. Add back the fried golden onions. Sprinkle fresh coriander leaves. Gently mix everything together so all the rich, spicy, and mouth-watering flavors blend beautifully into the tender mussels evenly. Finish with 1/2 tablespoon coconut oil for that final coastal aroma. And there you have it, spicy, juicy, glossy mussel roast ready to steal the show. Serve hot and enjoy every delicious bite. Authentic Kerala flavors on Tasty Malayali. Join us for spicy, tasty recipes.